Okay, let's start the discussion of the use of Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office for the classes that I facilitate. Let's go ahead and begin that discussion here. Inside of the MA 2000 Quantitative Reasoning and MA 3000 Business Stats course, we utilize Microsoft Excel to help us with the calculation in both of these classes. Now, for the MA 3000, the Business Stats course, if that is the one that you're enrolled in, we use Microsoft Excel extensively inside the course to do the calculations that can't be done by hand, especially the second half of the course. A lot of those to do by hand requires the use of calculus. For most of you, I'm assuming you do not have a calculus background, so the use of technology, specifically Microsoft Excel, is going to be required inside the scope of the course. For quantitative reasoning, if you're in the MA 2000 class, there are 2 units that I refer to inside the videos that are posted inside of announcements that reference how to utilize Excel to do calculations in both of those units or those LPs that are out there. It is a nice to have, and this video is going to go through the process of obtaining Microsoft Excel actually for free. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about that here shortly. Okay, some like to utilize Google Sheets. That's a product that Google has as far as an alternative to the Microsoft Office. Do keep in mind, especially in the MA 3000 course, that the calculations will not work in Google Sheets or a third-party spreadsheet application. As a result, you will need to have Microsoft Excel loaded onto your PC, especially in the MA 3000 or Business Stat course. If you're utilizing something outside of Excel, it's at your own risk. You can't come back a week after assignments due saying, hey, I couldn't get the calculations to work. I'm going to say that you have to use Microsoft Excel. As I made mention earlier, it is going to be free of charge for you to load onto your PC and smart device. We'll talk through the process on that here shortly. So they will not work on third parties. They do not work in Google Sheets. They do not work on other spreadsheet applications. You will need to use Microsoft Excel if you want them to work correctly. So I always like to bring that to attention. I get a lot of students that will try to use Google Sheets, and unfortunately, it will not work, especially in the MA 3000 class. There is functionality that Excel has that Google Sheets does not have. Okay, so as I alluded to, you can get Microsoft Excel, which is a component of Office 365, free of charge. That is great. As long as you're an active student, you have access to Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint free of charge, and you get the most updated version that's out there. Technically not the most updated version, but it is the version that you'll be able to use inside of the class. At the time of this recording, there is Office 2019 that's out. I'm assuming you're still probably getting Office 2016, but that is a newest version that's out there. If on your PC you have Excel 2007 or newer, everything should work. However, if you want the most updated one free of charge, I like free, doesn't cost a thing, you can obtain it. And I will show you inside the class portal what link you need to click on and what instructions need to be followed. Now, the second bullet point that's on the screen, keep in mind, I typically have anywhere from 15 to 25 students inside of a class. I cannot be your technical support on everybody's PC and smart device. Your first point of contact, if you need assistance getting this onto your PC or smart device, is NAU's tech support. And the phone number is listed here, 1-800-548-0602. They will be the point of contact to get that software loaded onto your PC. So let me show you where that link is located inside the class. So let me get into a sample course here. In any of the courses, be it Business Stats, Quantitative Reasoning, if you click on the announcement link inside the course, if you scroll down to your announcements, you're going to see a link that says want to get Microsoft Office for free. If you want that, you'll click this press click here for more information. It's going to prompt you for your user ID and password that you currently use to get onto the system. This is for students and or staff only. You will log into this site. It will walk you through the process of downloading this onto your PC. So that is the underlying process. Again, if you are in need of assistance with it, again, this phone number, the 1-800-548-0602, is your point of contact to get technical support on getting it onto your PC. Because unfortunately on my end, I cannot support 15 to 25 students inside of a class. If there's any additional questions on this, don't hesitate to send me a private message. Thank you.